Hi everyone, welcome to the iLanguage Training Center New Concept English Video Classroom. And today we will learn New Concept English Book 2, Lesson 19, Sold Out. Okay, sağollaşın yaxşımısınızlar? Hamsa bugün 19 dersini günümüz. Boşlanmış kitabımdaki 19. dersini içip ders vaxtları hem kitap olsun hem şunu yazıp mağdırgan bizninki ekranda çıkırgan şular bolsa birleştirip mang'aysizlar. Alright. So let's begin with one question in our class. So if you go to theater and see a movie or play, what do you have to buy? You know, if you go to theater or cinema to see a movie or see a play, what do you have to buy? Okay. A, ticket. B, popcorn. C, drinks. Okay, D, parents. And last one is toy. Okay, what do you have to buy? So do you have to buy a ticket? Okay, yeah, yes it is. A ticket, bilet şunamız arkadaşlar. What else? You know, popcorn. Okay. And the popcorn, bunun alamız şunama. Popcorn degeni qonak şunama biz yerixan. Qadi qonak. It's popcorn, yeah. It's drinks, içimlikler. Har xil sovuq içimlikler. O bu degendek şunama. Drinks or parents. Do you buy your parents? Ata-analarını seta olamsızlar? Çaq hamıyada. Or a toy. And we are angmuyum nesini versanlar? Ticket. Ticket. Yaxşı, ticket. So where do you usually buy the ticket? Where do you usually buy the ticket? Adette, bilette. Nereden satın alabiliriz arkadaşlar? You know, A, at a ticket office. Okay, B, on the internet. Tordan şunama. C, on the telephone. Last one, you know, from one of my friends. And maybe a common one is like at the ticket office, right? Asasen demersen ticket office. Hazır qanday desanlar? Telefonda mesela to'g'anib bo'ldi. You can buy on the internet. Internet. Qisqartib internet. Siz talaffuz qilganda. Or on a telephone. Sometimes you can buy it on a telephone. Maybe you can buy it from your friends as well. So unlikely the ticket office girl tells you that no tickets are left. You know, that means they have no tickets to sell. They have sold out. Okay, hamda mushun o'xshamaydigan bir ahvol hamda mushu bilet sotadigan biletxonadagi yoki bilet sotish o'rnidagi qizchaq biz mush biletni setib bo'ldik yoki bilet qolmadi desa nima deydi? They have sold out. Sold out desa qanaqa qilamiz? Maybe we will feel very sad, right? Because we cannot watch, you know, our favorite movie or our favorite play or something. And we şarkı set bulmak, sell out degenimiz nima? Sana şu satmak. Sell degen satmak, out degen satqashdan sell out degen nima? Set tugutib bulmak, tugab ketmek degen. Okay, sell out. You know, have nothing to sell. You know, have nothing to sell. You know, that girl tells me that they have sold out all of the film tickets. Okay, and the all qizchaq manga deydi. You know, they have sold out ular hammasini setib bo'libdi. Nimaniki? Of the film tickets. Okay, and all of the film tickets. Demakchi barliq filmlarniki biltini, demakchi barliq kinolarning biltini bunda setib bo'libdi. Okay? Sell out. Okay, sell out. Setib bo'lmoq. Setib bo'lmoq. Xo'sh, sog'lashlamsa, biz shu bugungi darsimizdagi yangi so'zlarni bir o'rganib chiqaylik. O'rganib chiqqandan keyin hamdan tekst kiramiz. First one is ticket office. Avvalindiriq kinoxona yoki teatrxonaga borganda avval bilet olamiz. Biletni nereden? Ticket office. Nereden olamiz? Ticket office'dan. Bilet setish o'rni. Okay. A ticket office. Shunami? An office where tickets are sold. Okay. For example, you know, I went to the ticket office. Okay, then there men shu bilet setish o'rniga bordim. Shunami? Endi mesela bilet setish o'rniga borsam nima deysizlar? Bu osman bir bilet lazım te ya ki ben iki bilet alat de. Ben de İngilizce ölçemlik demez sana. May I have two tickets please? Or you can say may I have one ticket please? Okay, ya ki two tickets please. Ben iki bilet alsam bulamdı. Demek ki bana iki bilet lazım degen. Ben iki bilet alayım degen. Okay. And may I have a return ticket please? And a return ticket da bugün geçingen burada. Bu ne degen geldi? Sana return ticket degen berip kiliş bileti. Mesela ürümçininki return ticket bolsa ürümçiga berip, yani keyin qaytib kelgan bilet bolsa a return ticket deymiz. Demaganda may I have two tickets please? Demekçi men iki bilet lazım te, iki bilet ile basam bolamdı. Degan gap boldu. Okay, and return ticket degan kelsak, and yani return the ticket bolsa nima desanglar, biletni qaytirish, and return degan qaytmak deb bağlı. Mesela return home, return to school, return to hometown degan yurt deymiz go. Qaytmak. Yani birge berip kelish biletini return sifat bo'lganda return ticket deymiz. Endi yani pil bo'lganda nima desanglar qaytmak. Mesela men bu iki biletni qaytirib etsem bo'lamdi. Hamda iki bilet olsam bo'lamdi. May I have two tickets deb tushunaman. Hamda bu biletlarni qaytirib etsem bo'lamdi. Qaytirib etsam deganda can I return these two tickets? Nima? Can I return these two tickets? Okay, demekçi bu iki biletlarni qaytirib etsem bo'lamdi. Certainly. Voy albatta. Albatta bo'ladi. Qaytirib eting degan gap bo'ldi. Certainly. Demaganda return deganimiz nima? Shuni qaytirib o'tish. Look at that woman. Okay, ayol qaranglar. Nima ekan? Very hurry. Da ayollar chiqib qopti shunami? Okay, and she hurried to the ticket office. And o naga aldirab mandi? Ticket office. Okay, and bu yerga hurry deganimiz nima? Sanal intan oldirab, soldirab, chopsan degan gap. Mesela hurry up da bo'lgan. O chopqan bo'long. Hey, hurry up Sam, the kettle is boiling. Da bo'lgan shunami? Hurry up Sam, chopsan bo'long, tezroq bo'long degan gap. Okay. Demekçi hurry up. Demekçi ayeti çapsallık bilen, tezlik bilen. Mesela she hurried to the ticket office. And o biletsiz sorulgan ayeti çapsallık bilen qanday qildi? Body. Yenice hurry deganimiz in a hurry she forgot to leave her address. Okay, endi yerga in a hurry endi shu olman-talmonlik bilan yoki shu oldiraqsallik bilan nima bo'ldi? In a hurry she forgot to leave her address. Endi o adresini qoldirib qo'yishni, adresini yozib qo'yishni qanday qilib qopti? Unutib qopti. Demekçi oldiraq-soldiraqlik bilan yoki olman-talmonlik bilan qanday qilibdi? Bu adresni yozishni qanday qilib qo'ydi? Unutib qopti. Demak hurry night oldiraq bilan oldiraq-soldiraq bilan. Mesela hurry up chapsara bilan. Okay. Mesela hurry to some place. Okay, you know. He hurried to the ticket office. He hurried to the school. Shunami? Degandek. Shu oldirab degandek. Okay. All right. And the king's name is pity. Pity deganimiz a feeling for bad luck. Nima desam, aytib bir xil afsuslanmoq. Mesela ajab bo'pti. What a pity. Ajab bir afsuslanarlik bo'pti. Ajab bir bo'lib qopti. Shunami? What a pity. What a pity. Ajab bir afsuslanarlik shopda degandek. What a pity. What a pity. Okay, and the what a pity. Shunami? What a pity. You know, he exclaimed. And about exclaimed deganimiz nima desanglar? Bu aytdi yuqori ovozga qilish. Say it aloud. Okay, mishalik aloud deganimiz yuqori ovozda. Shunami? You know, often with surprise or joy. Ayt yoki bir xushallik bilan yoki bir hayron qolarlik bilan ching ovozga qilish bo'lsa, exclaim. Okay, endi ya aksiga sirtqa qaragan shu exclaim degan shu demak, aytdi yuqori ovoz sirtqa demak. Shunami? Okay, what a pity. So then exclaim. Nim degan afsunarlik, nim degan Qanlashmagan ish. O qanday qildi? Exclaimed. O dedi. Yuqori ovozda. Okay, look. Look at this cat. It looks what? Very sadly. Okay, the poor little cat is looking at me sadly. Okay, sadly. Okay, and what sad deganimiz perishan, ko'ngli yerim degan gap bo'lishi nima? Sadly naiti perishan oldi. Naiti qayg'uliq bilan. Bo'smi sadly. The poor little cat bu bichara kichik arslan mushuk manga naiti bir ko'ngli perishan oldi, qanday qildi? Qardi. Okay, I'm sad degan shu feeling bad. Hey, are you sad? Voy ko'ngling yerimmi? Ko'ngling ishqidan birmi? Degan shu gap. Sad. Sad. Sadly aytdi, yerim oldi. Okay. Endi bolalar biz shu hangman degan bir o'yin qaraylik. Endi bu o'yinni sinfda o'ynasa haqdan aytdi. Qanday desam, o'nim bo'ladi-ku. Birinchi hamda shu hang degan osmoq shunaqa, shu odamni dag'asi shunaqa. Endi mana shu bir necha masalan R, I, L, T shu so'zlarning birlama harfi yozilib, sizlar shu A'dan tortib Y-gacha, YZ-gacha bu harfni birdan tepib chiqsa, agar shu harf birinchi harf xato bo'lib qolsa, shuni har bir shu jasdan boshlab so'zlashga boshlaysiz. Toki ashadam darg'a eslib bo'lguncha shu bo'yicha sizib chiqadigan gap hamda. Agar hamda shuni muvaffaqiyatli qildi qilolib qolib qolsangiz bir so'zni shu darg'a eslmaydi yengidi. Bo'lmasa qanday desam ashaga o'ldigan gap. Shu ma'ni sinfda aytdi uni yaxshi bo'ldi hamda men hamda sizlar bilan hozir damalliq interaction qilgan shu bo'lmagan ekan bu do'stlaringlar bilan o'ynasangiz qanday desam ayta yaxshi bo'ldi uningki nimasi ustirim bor qarab baqsanglar bu so'zlarningki javobim tegadi ba. Okay. Xo'sh, hamsa tekst kelaydi savoldoshlar. Hamda bugungi tekstga bir necha muhimya. All right, first of all, look at and guess what he and the writer was saying. Look at this. That person is a writer. Writer, I could keep again. I understand a girl in a ticket office. And the nimda outqanda savoldoshlar. Okay, and the man nimdire? Okay, may I have 2 tickets, please? And then nimda and what a pity that we did nama. They actually sold out the oshad nama. And then nimda sama. Oh, the play begin any moment. So first of all, listen and write the correct name behind each line below. Okay, I'll answer. And we are going to say I, writer. I can say Susan, a writer. And a ticked off girl and the man. Listen carefully.
Lesson 19. Sold out. First listen and then answer the question. When will the writer see the play? The play may begin at any moment, I said. It may have begun already, Susan answered. I hurried to the ticket office. May I have 2 tickets, please? I asked. I'm sorry, we've sold out, the girl said. What a pity, Susan exclaimed. Just then, a man hurried to the ticket office. Can I return these 2 tickets? He asked. Certainly, the girl said. I went back to the ticket office at once. Could I have those 2 tickets, please? I asked. Certainly, the girl said. But they're for next Wednesday's performance. Do you still want them? I might as well have them, I said sadly.
Alright. The play may begin at any moment. Who said this? The play may begin at any moment. Okay, what did it? The writer, right? It may have begun already. Susan said. May I have 2 tickets, please? May I have 2 tickets, please? Who said that? The writer. I'm sorry, we've sold out. The ticket office girl. What a pity. Who said? Okay, Susan, right? Can I return these 2 tickets, please? Who did it? Okay, it's a man, right? Certainly. Ticket office girl. Could I have those 2 tickets, please? Who is that? The writer, right? Certainly, but they are for next Wednesday performance. Do you still want them? Ticket office girl, right? I might as well have them. I said. Okay, of course, the writer, right? Okay. And so, are these sentences true or false? Correct to false sentence. And then we should try to make a jumla and then the play may begin in 10 minutes. 10 minutes thinking True? Is it true? Oh no, false, right? The play may begin at any moment. Okay, the writer asked for 1 ticket. Okay, 1 ticket? No. The writer asked for 2 tickets, right? There were 2 tickets left. No. There wasn't any tickets left. Susan and writer were disappointed. And then we had disappointed again. Susan and disappointed. Yeah, true or false? If it's true, why? True? True? Alright. Yeah, it's true, right? Because they said, what a pity. Absturlak ish. Disappointment. Disappoint Okay, number 5. A man hurried to the ticket office just then. Ticket office Yeah, it's true, right? Yes, it is true. The man returned 1 ticket. 1 ticket. 1 or 2. 1 or 2. 1 or 2. 1 or 2. 1 or 2. Okay. No, it's 2 tickets, right? They are 2 tickets, sorry. Number 7. 2 tickets were for that day's performance. Do you think for that day, No, it's for, they were for next Wednesday performance. They make a killer, 8, the writer didn't buy the 2 tickets. Didn't or did? Setip aldı mı? Vallahi setip almadı mı? Paranla? Nimde 2 tickets'ten? Setip aldı mı, setip almadı mı? Alright. Yeah. No, he bought it. Setip aldı şimdi ama. The writer bought the 2 tickets. Demek ki bizden teksimizde keyin time oyun bolgan noktalarken andaqda keyingi bölek language focus. Xo'sh hamsa bugungi language focus qaranglar. Bu shu language focus chiqqan narsaning time bo'z teg'isiz kitobiniki xotir qoldirib olish kerak. The play may begin at any moment. All right. Endi mishariki any moment deganimiz nima deysanglar? Xohlagan vaqtda, har qachon degan gap. Ama moment degan payt emasmi? Any, xohlagan. Demakchi har vaqt, xohlagan vaqt degan gap. Masalan, bir ulgulik misol bor ekan qaranglar. Be careful. He might come back any moment. Diqqat qil, u balkim har vaqt xohlagan vaqtda qaytib kelishi mumkin. Matematik pages nima? Shu padishahning shundami? Be careful, he might come back at any moment. Xohlagan vaqtda. Demak, aniq bo'lmagandir, xohlagan, nima? Endi bu yerga at the moment, at any moment bilan at the moment o'xshamaydi, bolalar. Endi agar at the moment post ko'rsanglar, mush paytda degan gap. Okay, mush paytda. Masalan, jumla qaranglar. He is not here at the moment. Demak, endi u mush paytda, naq mush vaqtda qanday desanglar, u qanday desanglar, bu yer emas. Okay, he is not here at the moment. Mush paytda. Okay. And we are for the moment posture. For the moment again, bunda bir paytcha, for deganimizdan keyin de bir qisqagina bir nima desanglar, bir vaqt bo'lik keldi va unda. Masalan, for a year, bir yilcha, for a day, bir kuncha deganda. Endi for the moment posture desanglar, bir qisqagina vaqtcha, vaqtliq degan gap. Masalan, I have nothing to do for the moment. Mening vaqtincha unda hech qanday nima desang qildigan ish yo'q. I have nothing to do for the moment. Demakchi, ya xizmatim yo'q, hech nima yo'q. Demakchi, bu nima desam, mangulik emasmi? Just for the moment, vaqtincha. Demak, at any moment degan xohlagan vaqtda, at the moment degan shu desammi? At the moment deganimiz shu. Shu paytda, for the moment degan shu desammi? Bir ma'lum vaqtcha. Qaylanlar, musharika for the moment, at the moment, sold out, yak sell mushlarni, bu to'ldirib baqaydi. Masalan, the shop, all their cakes, you can go to another one. Demakchi, the shop, the bariq tortlarni qanday qilib beradi? Has sold out. Bariq tortlarni hammasi setib bo'libdi. Siz boshqasiga berib bering. Demak, tukkanniki yana qanday qilamiz? Boshqasiga boramiz. Bu yerda seta olmaymiz-da. Masalan, this kind of car, well, okay, this kind of car sells well. Okay, sells not yaxshi setildi. Demak, bozorliq degan gap qo'yamda. Yaxshi sotildi, yaxshi setildi. Okay, I'm busy, so I can't help you. Demakchi, men hozir, demakchi, at the moment, demakchi, men hozir naq mush vaqtda, mush paytda, and I'm very busy, so I can't help you. Shu emas, qana qilmaydi, yordam qilaman. I'm busy at the moment, so I can't help you. And my tourist show we are happy living in a flat, but we may want to move to a house soon. Okay, we are happy living in a flat. And the mishara anda uzaq qolmay, pat yaqinda nima ish qilamiz deydi? Bir uyga ko'chmoqchi. We may want to balkim bizning ko'chimiz. Demak, endi bu yerga vaqtinchalik ekan. Endi vaqtinchalik bildiryapti nima? For the moment, yoki at the moment. Albatta, for the moment. Biz vaqtinchalik shu binoviy. Flat deganimiz binoviy, qaratib qo'ygan. Buni flat deymiz, house deymiz masalan. Bir qavat, ikki qavat. Ping pong o'yinlarni, dachalarni house deymiz. Demak, endi o'sha to'g'ri qiladi. Xushol. Demak, sold out deymiz. Hoş retail tutarlar valla. Retail tutarlar. Endi boşurlarni to'ldirib baxsam ham bo'ladi. And then before the writer and Susan go to the ticket office, the writer, the play may begin at the any moment. Susan okay. It may have begun already. I'm sure take it in and the writer hurried to the ticket office, and the writer ended it. May I have 2 tickets, please? And I'm sorry, we've sold out. The cashier was said, and Susan, oh, what a pity. Okay. Just then the man hurried to the ticket office, and the adam was the man in the day. Okay, can I return these 2 tickets? The girl said, certainly. And the writer went back to the ticket office at once. And the writer said, could I have those 2 tickets, please? As can I return the land? Could I return? I don't know, could I begin this? Can I get one second? Which you get one second, it's silk spy. And I'll fight to it, and I'll fight to us about that. And what would be actually should be that in a visit was and be Bulama. Night, take on silk spy partnership. The way I know sure could I can call on the take on the house, night, silk spy. Showing my junior be that 3 years of them. Could I have those 2 tickets, please? Oh, certainly, but they are for next Wednesday performance. Do you still want this? Zenon alamsmats writers have the okay, I might as well have them. The play may begin any moment. It may have begun already. May have begun. May I have 2 tickets, please? Can I return? Could I have? I might as well have. The text can I, may I, could I, can I return these 2 tickets? May I have 2 tickets, please? Could I have those 2 tickets? And the Mishariki, Mushkin, and Asas Park, Mushkilse, Okshash of any man, but Utnish, Telebnish Park. Okay. And then I can begin as the man. Will begin as the man. Someone, will you let me use your cell phone, please? Okay. The mentions them kid. Will you let me use? Let the get can I use your cell phone? May I use your cell phone? Could I use your cell phone? Boy, I'm going to show you that which not again the type of they have a seal of can I use it? May I use the could I use the and will you let me? Class and take them in the sounds. I will take that land and one I will get a night agriculture the kinds of agriculture and it's güzel I was talking udullar mesajı neyimiz var mı demek tuz gel başkalarının böyle jürgük gibi var. Kanca agriculture sanmakanlar sana şuradan güzel anlam. Mesela bir kez soğan olsa mesela kalimazda şık tutsan neymiş lan? Kalimazda bir tutsanız. Anda ben çetellik konuda bir şey tutuşacağım. Would you mind if I use your pen? Eğer sınavmış kalimamızda şık tutsan bir konumuz bir kilama. Diyeyim ben tercih etsin. Bu anda kaç ses tek anlamda dikkat edin. Müşahede ben sana açıyla ben. Demek ki konumuz kilama var. Oh no. O ya konum kelime. Şık diyor ama. Şunama. Ekler kalman büyük bir şık try. Yani yakın ağrıyımız olsun demiş şunama. Boğumuz ağrı. Anlar dikkatleyimiz var. Demek ki şu can I, may I, could I, will I. Will you let me? Would you mind? Again, agriculture problems. Hoşçakalın bir can, may la o adı yazılır. And may have begun. Mağlurum eğer sana bu şeyler yapıyorlar ki bu Allah vurur demek ki bu lafı başlar. Mesela perhaps he telephoned last night. Mesela he may have telephoned last night. Demek ki o belki tüm gün akşam nağlarına tıpkı boğan buluşu mümkün. Ama bu hazır ka. Demek sana may. Okay, he may come kiliş mümkün. Ama ötken zamanda ihtimalını bulurken sana he may have done ya ki might have done ifade. Demek anda şu may ya ki might kendine geçenler might have done diğer şu ötmüş nispeten şunu iki hızdan perezne ifade.
shundan nisbatan asl parazdan mandaq bo'lgan bo'lishi mumkin deymizmi? Demak, but it's not sure. Yana qanday bo'ladi? Balki Mickey degan o'sha qo'yilgan. Lekin ham bu qanday zaman not sure. Okay. Masalan, u balki aytish mumkin. Perhaps he will come tomorrow. He may come tomorrow. yoki he might come tomorrow. Nima bo'ladi? Balki perhaps he will come tomorrow. yoki masalan he may come tomorrow. yoki he might come tomorrow. Demek ki her misli mesela unutmaz. İhtimalı. Lekin o'xshashdan nima desam bu nima? I'm not sure. Demek ham well, may, might, do demekçi bu kelgisi nisbatan ma'lum bir parazni desam may, might, will do. And may have begun, may have done o'tmish nisbatan. And the I might as well have done. And might as well deganimiz nima desam may as well. So, do you want to come to the cinema with me? I have nothing to do, so I may as well go with you. Demekçi yani yana bu şuna qilsam yaxshi bo'ladi demekçi to'g'ri tanlashda anashiladi. Bu shu yaxshiroq degan. Demekçi may as well. Yana ham shuna qilsam degan. And mushning o'rniga yana might as well desak bo'lganda o'xshash. Masalan, do you think he is past exam? He'll never pass. He might as well give up. U balki yana o'xshashdan qanday bo'lishi mumkin? Voz kechish mumkin. Give up deganimiz voz kechmak emas. Demak, may as well, yoki might as well demak, yana ham mana yaxshiroq. Boshlamsam tanlashning bir practice qilayotgan lekin darsimizning oxiriga keldi. Choose the best answer. But instead, blah blah blah blah blah. You play the computer game? Yes, I can. And then yes, I can. And can you play computer games? Oh, yes, I can. But computer oynayamaz. Oynayamaz. Şkinse, you pass me a pen, Susan. Sure, I can. And the man could you, must you, need you, do you, and the vision could you. Mana bir kalemde bir sınıf dersimiz bulalım. Ötünüş mühendisliği could, may, will. And excuse me, there is the zoo. Where is the zoo? Sorry, I don't know. Ask that police. He no. Okay, I catch it. Ben bilmeyim. O saççıdan sonra nima u biladi. Qanday ishimiz kerak? He may know. U balkim bilishi mumkin, tushunami? He may know it. Okay, dördüncü. Tom didn't come back for lunch. Okay, anlamayın. He didn't come back. Bak, ötmüş ne? O kendine. O mandat yalan buluş mümkün. Değil mi? He may have done şekilde. He may have had it. O belki o tamam yapılmış mümkün. Okay, next one. No one will eat this fruit. Hiç kim bu tamak yemedi. So we as well threw them away. So we, I said, might as well throw them away. Biz yanalandı. Taşlı etkinimiz düzgün yapıldı. Taşlı etsek bu oldu. Hoş şansa bugünkü dersimiz müşahit olsun arkadaşlar. That's all for today. The homework is, copy the vocabulary and recite the text. Don't forget to do homework. It's very important. Just to keep doing. I believe if you persist in, working hard on your, especially on your amazing studying, I believe you can make a lot of very big progress in your study. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Goodbye.